Hi, my name is Lupe Mariquin. I'm running for State House. This is my first venture into campaigning and running for elected office. I'm very excited. My district is Hillside and South Anchorage, and it runs between Abbott Loop Road, Rabbit Creek Road, Hillside Drive, and Johns Road. I believe I can add a lot of energy and cost effectiveness to Juneau and the budget process. I've had 30 years of state experience, 20 with Department of Transportation as a accounting manager, and 10 in Health and Social Services. Part of that was as a budget analyst for the Medicaid Rate Commission. My last 6 years of employment were as the election coordinator for the municipality of Anchorage and budget liaison. I was a deputy clerk, and I had the best product in the world, the people's right to vote. So I'm a public servant. I'm retired as of July 1, 2009, and now I would like to do more public service for the people of Anchorage.